Horsetail Waterfall. It is located on the eastern slope of Mount El Capitan. The total height of the waterfall is 650 meters. The waterfall was discovered by Joseph Rediford Walker in 1833. Every year, for 2 weeks, the Horsetail Waterfall becomes a firefall. This phenomenon is an optical illusion that occurs due to the angle of incidence of the sun's rays during sunset, which gives the water a bright orange hue. The firefall can be observed annually around the middle of February, and it lasts about 2 weeks. Right before sunset, the clouds parted, and it seemed as if someone had put a match to the water and lit it, after which the stream began to flare up from top to bottom. All tourists want to personally see and capture on camera the rarest natural phenomenon, which becomes a hit for several days in February. The monolith mountain El Capitan is one of the largest such peaks in North America. A small stream called the Horse's Tail flows down from the eastern edge of a huge 307-meter granite block. Far from being the most impressive stream, it can't even come close to matching other famous waterfalls in terms of water volume. It feeds solely on the melting of snow at the top, and in the summer months it dries up completely. However, in the middle of the last month of winter, the Horse's Tail becomes the main attraction of the national park, attracting many tourists from all over the world who gather in the mountains in the hope of capturing the rarest and incredibly beautiful phenomenon. The rays of the setting sun are reflected in the falling stream, which gives the impression that it is not meltwater that flows down from the vertical slopes, but bright lava or molten metal. At the same time, several important circumstances must coincide for the effect to occur. First, there should be enough snowfall on El Capitan over the winter to feed the stream. Secondly, a steady thaw is needed to melt this very snow and fill the riverbed with water. In addition, absolutely clear weather is required without clouds, fogs, or haze that obstruct the sun's rays. Finally, it is necessary to choose the right place for observation, where the light will fall at the right angle.